Welcome to Hackveda's Application Security Center. This week we are organizing a workshop on artificial intelligence. Let's have a look what all we are having for the workshop. Here we have a very artificially intelligent presentation demonstration for you about what all we are having in the workshop this semester. Let's proceed with our presentation. First of all, what we have to do in this workshop is we will be discussing on gesture recognition system. After touch screens, today the developers are working on the no-touch technology, and you can have a sample of no-touch technology is like this. I have my two hands, and if I just want to move my window back, I just do it like this, and here I've gone back. And if you want me to move it forward again, let's go this way. And here you can see, without touching the system, my particular application is working according to the requirement. Let's see, after gesture recognition system, we would like to have a very nice sample of gesture recognition which we will be teaching students during the workshop is here. Let's have a look. Let's proceed to the gesture recognition system. Welcome to Hackveda AppSec Labs, developed by me, Devanshu Shukla. And here I have the very old application made by our team. Let's see, with the gestures, what we can do, we can flow in a universe and we can have a system like this. Here you can see I have a gesture recognized based system, and now I'm controlling the universe, controlling the object depending on the gestures of my hands. We can rotate this, we can scale up, scale down, and a lot of things. We can turn it according to the gestures. We can rotate this universe, and we can play with the universe in a very proper way. So this is the power of artificial intelligence and the gesture recognition part. Let's see. Thank you. Cancel the code. Let's see. I just get back. Here accordingly we will be developing the application. Now let's move towards the next part. After this gesture recognition, what we are going to have is, we are going to have the facial recognition part in our system. In a couple of years, the world will have all the applications which are very perceptual and cognitive in nature. Applications will be capable of identifying the human faces, they will recognize the human faces. Depending on the face recognition, they can identify whether a particular user is a male or a female. Even we can identify the emotions of a person with the camera, with the facial recognition technology. And we are going to have a sample facial recognition technology demonstration here. Let's see. We can work over it. Say if we have a camera working and we are capturing the image of the camera, what we can do, we can track the location of our face, and that can be done programmatically. We will be teaching how we can do that programmatically. The thing we want to display in the demonstration is the objective, what students will be able to do. With this location enabled, now a user can track, or the application can track a person with his face, that a person is here or a person is there. Depending on the location, sometimes what we can do, we can find out the landmark of the face. Here you can find out where my face, where my smile is going to, and what is the edges of my and my eyes. Depending on this, we can properly identify more gestures. This is the facial recognition technology, which we will be teaching during our session. After this facial recognition technology, there is a speech recognition technology. With this speech recognition technology, what we can do, we can simply communicate to our computer. Say, if I say something to the computer, my computer will be capable of listening to it and he can execute the commands properly. And for this, we can have a demonstration here. Here we have our speech recognition system available. You can see, let's start our recognizer, and here you can see, as soon as I'm speaking, the module will take out the loop frames and he will try to print something onto the screen. Let's start. Hello? Hello? Depending on the loop frames, because I have spoken a lot of things, so it is taking time to recognize. What we can do, we can start this demonstration again. And now, as soon as I speak the words, you can see we can have the listeners available. Hello? How are you? I am good. I love you. Do you love me? Yes, I love you. Windows, Linux, good. Microsoft, hacker, execute, exchange, switch, close, turn, around. So here you can see we can have a lot of things. As soon as I'm saying something to my particular device and it is understanding my voice. This is what the progress of applications development is today in today's technology. And here is how we can operate our computer system properly. Let's see. And now, do you want to develop this? If you want to develop these kinds of artificially intelligent applications, you can join our artificial intelligence workshop scheduled for 26th and 27th October 2013. It is organized at H3/60, 3rd floor, Sector 18, Rohini, New Delhi. If you want, you can register here. The registration link is available at hackveda.in/workshop/register. Here you can register and then you can join the workshop with us. I guess you have enjoyed the particular video. This is all we are going to cover inside our presentation. And finally, I'm just closing the presentation. Let's see.